everyone, it's Heather here from the Greensboro Children's Museum. Welcome to the Edible Schoolyard Kitchen, where I am here to teach you a very simple, healthy snack recipe. I make this for myself quite often, and it's really lovely in the hot summer months. It's a cool you down kind of snack. We're going to be making frozen yogurt bark. What's really awesome about this recipe is it's very customizable. You can use what you have on hand in your kitchen. Seasonal fruit is a really great addition. So that's exactly what I'm going to be using today. The first thing you're going to need is about 2 cups of any yogurt of your choice. I'm using a vanilla, and full fat yogurt works best for this since it will be freezing. We also have some very fresh and ripe strawberries in our garden this time of year, so I'm choosing strawberries as my fruit of choice. You will need about 1 cup of fresh fruit. I have chosen some pumpkin seeds as a topping and some mini chocolate chips. The first thing I will need to do to prepare this recipe is rinse my strawberries and slice them very thin. So here we go. Okay, now that my strawberries are cleaned and sliced, I'm ready to spread my yogurt layer. So I want to make sure that when I spread it, it's about 1/4 inch thick, and the surface that you use needs to be freezer friendly. So I'm using a baking sheet with a silicone mat, easy cleanup. You can also use aluminum foil, wax paper, or parchment paper. Here we go. Okay everyone, our recipe is assembled, but it is not ready to eat. We need to freeze this for at least 4 hours before it's ready to cut apart and enjoy. So let's put them in the freezer. All right, I just got our yogurt bark out of the freezer, and we are ready to cut into squares and store in a freezer container. I'm using a freezer bag. Okay, my friends, I've put most of the frozen yogurt bark back into the freezer because it does melt quite quickly. So it is time to enjoy. Bon appetit, you may eat.